Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Titanfall 2 multiplayer. First, make sure your console is connected to the internet and that the game is fully updated. Once you launch Titanfall 2, head straight to the multiplayer section from the main menu. Here, you will find various game modes to choose from, each offering unique objectives and experiences. Get ready to jump into intense battles as a pilot or a powerful Titan. Titanfall 2 offers several exciting multiplayer game modes. Attrition is a classic team deathmatch where both pilot and Titan kills contribute to your score. In Bounty Hunt, you earn cash by eliminating enemies and depositing it at specific banks. Amped Hardpoint challenges teams to capture and defend 3 strategic locations. For pure Titan combat, Last Titan Standing pits teams of Titans against each other until only one remains. Personalizing your pilot and Titan is a key part of the Titanfall 2 experience. You can customize your pilot's loadout, including tactical abilities like grapple or stim, and a wide array of weapons. For your Titan, select one of 6 distinct chassis, each with unique core abilities and playstyles. Further tailor your Titan with different weapons, kits, and visual upgrades as you advance. To excel in Titanfall 2 multiplayer, focus on mastering movement. Wall running and double jumping are crucial for navigating maps quickly and gaining tactical advantages. Effective team communication can turn the tide of battle, so use your mic if possible. Understand the unique abilities of each Titan and pilot to counter opponents effectively. Consistent practice will sharpen your aim and overall battlefield awareness.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.